Thank you for tuning in to the Shikama Live Show with your host, Shikama, produced by Boundless Enterprise, LLC, in association with www.lasvegasnevadaduy.com. I apologize if I'm shiny. I do my own makeup, and sometimes I don't wear powder, so I apologize. I'm not sweating. It's just that the makeup really makes me shine. I don't know why. Anyway, today's topic is a doozy. So, I already made a video about the just outlining the Detroit bankruptcy. Detroit filed for bankruptcy. What was it? Anyway, you could go watch my video. I don't have the facts to that. Now here is an update. In state court, a state court judge declared that the Detroit bankruptcy unconstitutional, as per the state constitution. They are now taking that case to a federal judge, for the federal judge to declare that they have the ability to declare bankruptcy. Detroit would be the largest municipality to have declared bankruptcy in the United States of America. But here's something that's going on. So what's really owed? What are they trying to get out of? They owe $9 million to city pensions and benefits to both retired and working city workers. They have a population of only 600,000. I am still looking up all of the and verify the financial records of Detroit to see what's really going on. They are trying to make a deal for $340 million to banks, whereby they would lower it so that the banks would take 75% on the dollar for what they are owed. But municipal bondholders are fearing that they will receive pennies on the dollars because they have not, there's not a one person to talk to the municipal bondholders. It's just, a group of people who purchase municipal bonds. And they're afraid that the bankruptcy court will just put them last, and the last creditor obviously is going to get the worst part of the deal. Now, the big second part of the news, besides the unconstitutionality of the bankruptcy, is that Wallstreet is in on this entire thing. And here's the deal. So they owe about $60 billion or something like that. I don't have the exact number at my fingertips, but Detroit was a part of the credit default swaps. And now that it has been declared bankrupt, and that's why they're really waiting on the federal court judge to decide if they can go ahead with the bankruptcy proceedings. If they do, the credit default swaps on Wall Street are going to come due, and that's in the trillions of dollars over this city, and they don't have the money. Isn't this country fantastic? I mean, this is crazy. Isn't this crazy? This is crazy. That should be, first of all, that should be completely illegal anyway. That's gambling. And you shouldn't be, as a financial firm, you shouldn't be allowed to make a promissory to something that you do not own. You don't have the funds to pay it should it come due. So that's another level to all of this fiasco. And if the federal judge says that it is in fact feasible and the bankruptcy goes ahead and then the credit default swaps come due, you can rest assured that there's going to be an entirely new economic crash. And they're not going to call it a recession this time. They'll call it a depression. All right. Leave a comment. Give me a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for watching the Shikamba Live Show.